doesn't smell good. A tiny bit of healthy bush treat for both of us. It's time to enjoy and dig in. Hi everyone, welcome to another new adventure. So guys, today I'm here with my brother Ali.
Hello
Brother, say
guys,
hi.
welcome to Lisbon.
So yes, we're in Lisbon. We're going to a place that I've seen in the map, and usually when I go to work I see that down the beach there is a kind of tiny beach. I'll show you in the next clip, you can see that. So my plan is to go there and do some catch and cook videos for you guys. Look at the Cristo Rey standing high, brave and proud. These are the raspberries that I picked. I got a few more of them over there in my bag. I'm gonna give them a try how it tastes. Man, this is sweet. A few of them are not properly ripe, but it's okay to eat. Very tasty, man. Quite sweet. A bit tangy as well, but it tastes good. Okay, so you're right here now. Here's the bridge. I think that is down there somewhere. It should be the beach. It goes straight down. So if you see the map,
But I don't know if we can go here or not. Let's go.
let's go. Let's give it a try. I found some red berries. I don't know if they're edible. Nah, not gonna take risks. Doesn't smell good. Nah. Guys, I've just put down my fast cast and my lure is stuck on something. It's stuck so hard I can't even take it out. So if you can see, I've tied this fishing line, and look how tight that's stuck with something. So doesn't matter how hard I pull, I can't even take that out. So it's stuck. So my plan is to come back next time and get my fishing lure back. It was an epic start. I really wanted a fish so bad. So guys, change your plans. Even though we can't catch a fish, I have a plan to cook something in the bush for you. I'm gonna show you what I have in my backpack. Packet of rice and a bit of lentils in one packet. And I've got one potato, one onion, some green chilies, so you know it's gonna be spicy. And also I've got a tiny bit of sea salt and a bit of mixed spice, the curry spice that we have. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, I have potatoes, onions and everything cut together. I'm going to cook half of it. Because the pan is already half full. So half of it should be fine. The rest I can save it for later. This much should be fine for both of us. I'm going to close it. That smells so nice. I'm gonna put half of the spice. There's a curry powder. It's a homemade curry powder, you know. So it should be fine. And also a good amount of salt, good amount of oil. Now I'm gonna put water. It's gonna make it partially full, so when it boils, the thing doesn't come out. I'm gonna stir it up with something, and then I'm gonna put it in the stove for probably half an hour. I think that's fair enough heat. Oh, that's piping hot. I really pray it doesn't fall, because the first time I was making the video of ramen, the water literally fell off on my feet. Yeah, this is fine. Let it get cooking for half an hour, it should be fine. Let's look at this amazing view. Woo! And if I walk down this tiny beach, you'll see bottles of beers, trash of people, a bottle, I don't know what that belongs to or whom that belongs to, but see, that's an empty gallon. And you can also find, oh, these things are sharp, and you can also find water bottles, old ones, sticks, blah blah blah, kinds of ropes, some fishing ropes, I guess. This beach is dirty. And let's see what we can find in these rock pools. If you can see if you can find any fish, something, nothing, nothing. Oh no, I'll show you down there if you can see. Look, it's been here probably for millions of years, I guess. This bottle is stuck in the middle of this sand and rocks. Can't even take that out. Oh, I can see that boiling. Whoa, that is nice. Okay. The heat is turned low, turned down. Look at this. Guys, the final update of the kitchen. The food is ready. Look, it's bubbling and boiling and smelling good. Oh. Guys, as we have only one spoon and two people, you see the food is ready here. You can see the food. Well, we got two pots but only got one spoon. So I'm going to improvise now. I'm going to make a spoon out of it if I can. Yes, maybe this part I can use as a spoon. What do you think? Should be good enough. Okay guys, the moment of truth. Let's take the taste. Oh, it feels so good. That tastes like heaven. It's really good. Oh.
Seriously, it's too good.
Look at the scene. Look at the view. And bush food, honestly guys, it never tastes bad. The best food you can ever have. It's just like luxury.
What about this actually?
Wow. Woo! Haha! It's like a beer bottle opening, right? Honestly, the food tasted so good. It tasted so good. Unreal. Completely unreal. So guys, I'm gonna finish the video here. Please don't forget to like the video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. And also, I've seen a lot of rubbish in the bank, or you can find in the beaches. I'm gonna take as much as I can with me. Thank you very much for watching. See you until next time. Bye bye.